Hi Jessica. Did you know that there's a website that pays you up to $40 a month for doing absolutely nothing?
Dylan. What are you talking about? That's unheard of.
Actually, it's not. Let me show you. If you want to know how to make a serious passive income online, then check out the link in the description below. So the website I'm talking about is called getpaidto.com. Look. It says so right there. Get paid to do nothing. Earn up to $40 per month. Earn when you're asleep or just grabbing a coffee and a donut. You just need a desktop computer and a good upload speed. You'll actually see the money come in within 24 to 48 hours. The objective here is to help provide safe cloud services when your computer is idle. Your computer is being securely aggregated into a distributed cloud, accelerating content delivery, scientific research, and enterprise computing without any impact on your computer's performance when you're using it. This won't harm your computer in any way and it's completely legit. You can even use multiple computers if you wish. To get started, first you're going to download the app on your computer. Then you're going to provide your username. Finally you're going to install and then check your balance points in the next 24 to 48 hours. That's all there is to it. You can also test your upload speed if you wish. For getting paid, you have a dashboard with plenty of options. You can do bank transfers, you could use Skrill or you can get paid in cryptocurrencies. You can even use Amazon or PayPal services. Don't forget, you can check your balance in 24 to 48 hours. Remember, if you want to make a serious passive income online, check out the link in the description below.
We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Also, like the video and hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Please do comment below to let us know what country you're viewing from. All the best. Bye bye.